Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to page break preview in Excel sheet. So let's start with some Excel and here you can see I have sales data. So to page break preview, go to the view tab. In workbook views group, click on the page break preview option. Okay, and here you can see you are the page break preview showing. Okay, this page is a break from here. So when you print it, only order to unit price will print. Okay, so this data is for page one. After that, here the page break, and the second page is at. I show you when you control plus P to print this data, you can see only order to unit price the data you're showing. Okay, and these are the first page data. In second page is a different data as the page break here. So first page and second page indicate this data, and third page is indicate this one. Okay, and others. Okay, if you want to give the all data in the one page, just drag with the mouse and set here your page break. Okay, now you can see from order to salesperson data will showing in your print control plus P, and here you can see order ID to salesperson, all data showing in first page. Okay, so this is the way you can use the page preview before printing. Okay, so I just go to the normal page, just again go to the view tab. In workbook view, click on the normal. Okay, and the second way for page break preview, here you can see the bottom side there are three options here. So the third one is a page break preview. Simply click on it and here you see your page break preview here showing. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.